Hi, Mike Stein from the Center for Teaching Excellence. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Kahoot challenge and then post that challenge to Canvas so your students can access it. First, go to kahoot.com and click Login or click Sign Up if you've never used Kahoot before. Log in with your Kahoot username and password or log in with Google to use your HCC email and password. You can see any existing Kahoots you have by clicking on the Kahoots tab at the top of the screen. If you'd like to make a new Kahoot or adapt an existing Kahoot, click the Discover button, click in the search bar, and type in a couple words describing the concepts or topics you'd like your Kahoot to be about. Use the suggestions below or click the magnifying glass to search. You can see that I have 23,975 results for organic chemistry. If I'd like to get a more specific Kahoot, I can change or add keywords to the search. Now that I've found a more specific Kahoot, click on the Kahoot title to open the Kahoot. I can now see all of the questions in the Kahoot, and if I'd like to see the answers as well, I can click the Show Answers button at the top right. Now click the three dots next to the star and select Duplicate from the list. This will create a duplicate copy of this Kahoot so that you can edit it. You'll now notice that I have a duplicate of Unit 8 Stoichiometry, and this can be located again by clicking on Kahoots. To edit this Kahoot, click the three dots menu and click Edit from the list. To edit the question, simply click anywhere inside the question and type normally. If you'd like to change an answer, click on the answer you'd like to change, and in the pop-up menu, simply click and edit the answer. If you'd like to make an answer correct, you can use the slider here, or you can simply click the circle to the right of the answer that is correct. To deselect a wrong answer, simply click the check mark, and your answer will be marked wrong again. If you'd like to change the time limit of your question, under Time Limit, click the seconds and select the amount of time you'd like to give your students. If you'd like to adjust the point value, you can use the slider to adjust the points to 0, 1,000, or 2,000. Now go on to the next question by using the left menu and clicking on the next question you'd like to edit. If you'd like to add an image or video to your question, click Add Image or Video. You can browse free images by clicking Image Library by Getty Images and selecting an image from the list. If you'd like to remove the image, simply click Remove. If you'd like to upload an image from your computer, click Add Image or Video, then select Upload an Image. You can now select an image from your computer. If you'd like to add a YouTube video, simply click Add YouTube Video and paste the link to the video in the Paste YouTube link box. You can choose when to start and end the video. When you're ready, click Add. When you are finished editing your Kahoot, click Done at the top right. You can preview this Kahoot by clicking Test this Kahoot, or simply click Done when you're finished. To create a challenge, click the Play button. Then click Assign. In the Date drop-down menu, select the date when you'd like your challenge to be due. You may also select the time on the due date by clicking the Time drop-down menu and selecting a time from the list. If you would like to use the question timer, leave the question timer checked. If you'd like to turn it off, simply click the switch to turn it off. Randomizing the answer order will change the order of the answers on each question every time the student takes the challenge. If you'd like to randomize the answer order, click the switch to turn it on, or click again to turn it off. When you're satisfied with your settings, click Create to create the challenge. Kahoot will automatically generate a challenge link. This is the link that we will now post into Canvas. Click Copy to copy the link. Then go into your Canvas course where you'd like to insert the link. For this video, I'm going to put this in my Keep Teaching course. To add your Kahoot to a module, click Modules, then go to the module where you'd like to add it. In this case, I'll add it to week 8. Click the plus button to add an item to the module. Click the assignment drop-down and select External URL from the list. Paste the challenge link in the URL field. Name your page by typing in the page name field. When you're finished, click Add Item. Your Kahoot will now be added to the bottom of your module. Click the title of the Kahoot challenge to preview it. You can now see that students will be able to take your challenge directly from within Canvas. In order for students to begin the challenge, they must enter a nickname. Then click OK, Go. Now their challenge will begin. When students are finished with the challenge, their results will show up in your Reports section in Kahoot. Let's go there now. You may return to the previous tab where you had your Kahoot challenge, or go back to kahoot.com and click Reports. You may download the full report by clicking Download, which will download an Excel spreadsheet to your computer. If you'd like to get a brief snapshot of your students' progress, you can click on the title of your Kahoot challenge and scroll down to the bottom to view the top 5. On this page, with the free account, you will not be able to see all of your students' report. However, if you download the Excel spreadsheet, you will be able to see all of your students' data. You may click the Final Scores tab to view the final scores of your students, or the Kahoot Summary tab to view more detailed information. When you're finished, simply close the Excel spreadsheet and return to Kahoot.